The sponsor of today's video is Webull. Simply use the link down below my description box, deposit any amount of money, and we each get 5 stocks. It's that simple, and by the way, it's limited time, so get on it. Use that link. Enjoy. Now let's get into the video. Ladies and gentlemen, it is that time of the week to be complete and utter degenerates. We have to go over 3 stocks with very high short interest. The charts look pretty good, and these stocks could squeeze. Keyword is could. Nobody knows what's going to happen, but again, they have high short interest. The charts look pretty good, so we have to break them down. So sit back, relax, hit the like button, subscribe, check out my Patreon if you guys want all my buys, sells, call outs, morning update videos, more access to me throughout the day, plus more. All of that's on Patreon, link down below. And with that being said, let's get into it. So right now it's 12:45 p.m. on the East Coast, and the markets are all over the place. We have the S&P 500 down 0.4%. We have the Dow up 0.2%. We have the Russell down 0.8%. And the NASDAQ 100 is getting squashed today, guys. It is down over 2%, pretty much giving back all of the gains that we saw from yesterday after the Fed meeting. So take a look. SPY hit all-time highs today at $474.86. We clearly took out the high from the middle of, well, I guess we're still in the middle of December, but from the 12th of December, right? The high was at about 473.10. We broke out of that. We almost hit 475, and now we've been seeing a bit of a pullback for the entire day pretty much, as you guys can see here on the intraday chart. We actually hit that all-time high in the pre-market. Now we're at 468. We're about $6 off that high, or about 1.3%. And going back to that 20-day chart, we are above both moving averages, even though we are pulling back. So that's a good sign that this is simply a healthy pullback. Bulls are still in charge, and I'm going to be watching 466 to 468 right around the moving averages here on the 20-day chart to see if buyers step in, to see if this is a healthy pullback and we do end up bouncing for sure, which we haven't gotten that confirmation quite yet. And when it comes to triple Q, again, like I said, guys, the NASDAQ 100 is not doing well today. It is down over 2%, giving back all of those gains from yesterday. We can see triple Q tried breaking out of 401, and it failed. Yet again, guys, it failed. This has been resistance for weeks, pretty much for a month at this point, since the 20th of November, and we've tested it so many times. We're talking over 10 times, and today we rallied, in the pre-market. We were up, but we failed to break above it yet again. So at this point, we failed at 401. We dumped all the way back down to 390. I was hoping that this would hold 390, but nope. Now we're at 388, 389, and we're actually looking to go lower by the looks of it on this intraday chart. We have not found a bottom quite yet. So what do you guys think? Drop me a comment down below in the comment section. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe. We're trying to get 25,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so make sure you guys do that. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys watching the video, subscribing, hitting the like button, join the Patreon. You guys are truly awesome. And with that being said, let's take a look at some stocks here, which again could squeeze. Keyword is could. Nobody knows what's going to happen, but these do have very high short interest. The charts look pretty solid, and we're going to start off with number one being ticker symbol GOGO, also known as Gogo Inc. This one's currently down from $21 back in the beginning of October. Now it's sitting at $13. It is down a whopping almost 40%, meaning it is well into a bear market. It's almost in crash territory, if that's even a thing. I mean, this one is down a ton, but even though it's down a ton, the charts look pretty good. Even though we're down a ton, we're seeing a death cross, and we're actually under both moving averages, the chart still looks pretty solid here. We're actually maintaining an uptrend on the yearly chart. What you guys can see here is actually we're holding the 180 SMA on the yearly chart. We're on the 4-hour chart. Like I said, we're under both moving averages. So let's go back to that yearly chart. We're above the 180 moving average. We're holding the bottom of the channel here. We're actually seeing a nice reversal on the RSI. And on top of that, we have a 32% short interest on this stock, meaning a lot of people are betting against it. So if we do get that squeeze, And honestly, I would be looking at this stock even if it didn't have a high short interest because, again, the chart looks really good. So if we do start getting shorts to cover, right, we start making a move past $13.75, $14, which I'll probably put my alert at $14. Well, I'm going to do that right now. If we start moving past 14, this could really start gaining some steam past 15, maybe even higher from that point. Considering 15, I guess we have to break 15 as well, considering that's the 50 moving average on this yearly chart. So set one alert at 14, and I'm actually going to do another one at 15. So let's say we clear above $15. 14 is going to be the first step. Let's say we gain momentum above 15 as well. This is going to start breaking out, in my opinion. At that point, we're probably going to start going back towards 18. 18 was a big resistance a couple weeks ago. Maybe 19, 20 again. So keep your eyes on Gogo. Very high short interest. We've been consolidating the past couple of days towards the bottom of this uptrending channel. I think it's just waiting for a move. We just have to be patient, set our alerts, and we'll wait. We'll wait till it happens, if it does happen. And again, nobody knows what the heck's going to happen. These stocks could collapse just as fast as they could go up, right? So keep that in mind. Number 2 is Big 5 Sporting Goods, I believe it's called, ticker symbol BGVF or FV actually. BGFV is the ticker. This one's down about 5% today, and from the recent high of $46, that was about a month ago, it is down way more than 5%. It is down more like 59%, close to 60%, well into a bear market. It's clearly crashing, and just like Gogo, this one's under both moving averages. We're seeing a death cross, so that is a big, red flag. Whoa, watch out, watch out. That's pretty much what that's telling me. But if we're able to find support, which we're trying to right now, towards the bottom of this channel at about $19, $20 roughly, right? And let's say we start breaking back into the mid-20s, we start moving above the moving averages here, that is going to be a sign of a reversal. And this pattern kind of looks very similar to Gogo, right? If I pull up this yearly chart, take a look. It's literally the same thing as Gogo for the most part. It's towards the bottom of the channel. We're pretty much down a ton, like I said, down 60%. And it's holding an uptrend as of now, and we have to get back over those moving averages, which again are in the mid-20s at this point. So we do have some ground to cover, and this being a very high short interest stock, 29% short interest, it could cover that ground very quickly from 18 to the mid-20s. That could happen in a couple of days, if not one day. So I'm going to set my alert at $25 per share. Mark is at or above. If we get out of there, this is probably going to start going 30, 35 again. Dare I say 40 if things get very hot, if momentum, really starts surging to the upside. So keep your eyes on BGFV. And the last one for today, guys, is ticker symbol SENS. Also known as Senseonics. That's at least how I say it, right? This is a stock. It's a penny stock. It's down 5% on the day, and it's trading at $2.59 with a 21.2% short interest. And me personally, guys, I'm noticing a horizontal channel here on the 4-hour chart. You guys can see we've been pretty much been trading between 250 to 275 as the low over the past couple of months, and the high being around $4 to $4.20. Yes, we did have a run up towards $5. That was a one-off run up back in June, the beginning of June. But other than that, we've pretty much topped out at about $4.20, 3, 4, 5 different times, and we've held about 260 to 275 many times. So at this point in time, we're towards the bottom of the channel again, 21.2% short interest. I'm noticing a bullish divergence on this 4-hour chart as well. We're noticing the RSI has been running up recently as the stock has been going down a bit and kind of finding a bottom at about 260, 270. So for me, I'm going to set an alert at 290. That is right by the 50 moving average on this 4-hour chart. If 290 breaks right by that 50 moving average, this could start making a push towards $3 plus. And then at that point, that is where the real reversal is going to occur. I think we'll go to $3.50, maybe $4 again. So keep your eyes on SENS. And again, guys, I cannot say this enough. These stocks are pure gambles. They're risky, but I do like making a variety of content on my channel, right? We talk about dividend stocks. We talk about options, trading, the market updates. I like talking about risky things as well because, let's be honest, it's fun, right? The speculative stuff is fun to track, and it makes the day-to-day stock market activity just more entertaining, right? And sometimes we need that. And I'm going to be making these videos, maybe not every week, but a couple times a month. Let's put it that way. Maybe 2-3 times a month. So if you guys found value, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, check out my Patreon if you want all my moves in the markets, and don't forget to get your 5 stocks from Webull. That's limited time. Link down below. All you have to do is use that link, deposit any amount of money, and we each get 5 stocks. It's that simple. And you could also get 50 free bucks from M1 Finance. Use my link, deposit $100 on M1 Finance, and we each get 50 bucks free. Enjoy all that. Link down below. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching as always. Keep crushing the markets. Stay safe out there. Peace out.